Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable and reasonable price ranges. Okay. So today I have some organic tussar cotton. Okay, the dyeing is organic and it's full digital printed. All of them are priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. As you all know, I'm just repeating. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra with the product and the shipping charges. Okay, so today I have 8 sarees in tussar cotton. Okay, all of them are tussar cotton sarees. I will go with the sarees now. So excuse me, just a minute. Yeah. So the fabric is a tussar cotton, okay, and the dyeing is organic dyeing, vegetable dyeing, and the printing is digital printing, okay. So all of them are fancy printed, and all of them are priced at 800 rupees. You have the contrast borders, contrast blouse pieces. So this is the first saree. Okay, so this is the body part. You have this kind of a printing here, and all the sarees you have a mild small tissue kind of a woven border. Okay, it's not a tissue border, it's a tissue similar to the tissue, but it's a woven border. Okay, in all the sarees, most of the sarees you have the same kind of a pattern. So this kind of a borders you have, and in the body you have a printing. In each and every saree the printing will be different. So this is the first design. Okay, you have a temple kind of a design along with some shaded printing in the body part, and you have the contrast pallu. So you have the pallu like this, and the blouse piece. Okay, a contrast, a purple shaded blouse piece. Okay, so this is the first saree. The fabric is organic tussar cotton. Okay, it's a organic dyeing tussar cotton sarees, digital printed sarees. This is the first saree. Okay, so you have the contrast blouse piece and the contrast pallu, and the body part will be like this. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned the WhatsApp number and the direct link of my WhatsApp in the description. Just a minute, there is some selling outside, so a little noise is there. So this is the next one. So this is the body part. You have a half sandal color here. Okay, along with this kind of a design. The rate is 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 800. Shipping charges extra. As similar to that, the upper you have the woven body in silver shade on both the borders, and this is the pallu. Okay, this is the pallu. You have a contrast shaded purple shaded with stripe lines pallu, and you have this is a maroon. Okay, a purple with maroon combination, the pallu and the blouse piece. So you have the blouse piece like this. Okay, for this saree alone the blouse comes separately while delivering itself. So this is the blouse piece, and the body part a half sandal, a beige color. Okay, so this is the second saree. The price is 800. Shipping charges is extra. So this is the body part. I will show you the body part again. Okay, so this is the body part. Full body you have the same kind of a printing, and contrast pallu in a dark purple maroon shade. Okay, it's not it has the dual shade, a purple maroon shade. It's a maroon actually. Okay, you have the purple shade as well. So this is the blouse piece. So please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. Okay, next is a black one. Okay, so you have the pallu like this. I will show you the body part first. Okay, so this is the body part. You have a design like this in the body. Okay, it's a black. The borders will be the same. Okay, you have a woven border here. Okay, a zari kind of a thing. Okay, it's a woven border, and the blouse piece. Okay, so the blouse, what pallu and the sari. So this is how the sari will be looking. It's a black color, priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. The fabric is a organic tussar cotton. So this is the next one, a light orange shade with blue color, a different color combo with a checked kind of a design. So all over the body part you have this kind of a design. Okay, it's a light orange shade with checked designs coming with a contrasting sky blue color pallu. Okay, the sky blue color pallu, and the blouse piece also comes in the sky blue. So this is the blouse piece. Okay, in the blouse you have the borders and also this lines. Okay, it will not come in checks. The blouse will not have the checks, only the lines will be there. In the sari you have the checks. Okay, so this is our next sari. It's a light orange with light blue color combo. The fabric is a tussar cotton. Okay, it will be very soft. So the next is again a black but with a different kind of a design. So this is the body part. This is how the body will be there. All of them are digital printed. The printing is digital printed. Okay, so this is the body part. This is how the body will be looking. You have a very superb design here, and the pallu. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah. So this is the pallu. You have a pallu like this, body part, and the blouse piece. Okay, in the blouse you have a small a bigger checker portion. So this is the next sari. It's a black color. The fabric is a tussar cotton. The dyeing is organic dyeing, and the printing is digital printing. All the sarees are priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So this is the next one. It will be coming like this. Okay, the design will be coming like this. A very nice lotus printed. And we have the pallu like this. Okay, a dark pink shaded, and the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece, a dark pink shaded blouse coming along. So all the sarees has the zari borders. Okay, all the sarees has the zari borders, a woven border. Okay, this is the next saree. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned the direct link also on the description. You can refer to that. You can ping me without saving my number also using that direct link. All the collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. You can refer to that. Okay, we will be regularly updating it for the available ones. So this is the next one. A different kind of a printing. A different printing here. Okay, in a brown shade. And the pallu. So this is the pallu. The fabric will be very, very soft. Okay, and the quality will also be very good. And the blouse piece. Okay, a dark brown shaded blouse piece. So I will show you the body part. The quality will be good. The fabric will also be very nice. Okay, this is the next one. And the blouse you comes gets a contrast color. Okay. So I'm moving with the next one. So the next is a pink color, a Rani pink shade, a bright color combo. So this is the body part, a pink with orange combination, and the border will be coming in a orange yellow color. Okay, so this is the body part. The fabric will be very, very soft. Okay, it's a tussar cotton. It will be very, very soft. Okay, and this is the pallu part, a simple pallu, and the blouse piece comes in pink color with a different design. Okay, you can see the difference in the design. Okay, this is a sari body design, and this is a blouse piece design. So this is the next one, and this is the last one for today's live. Okay, so these are all the sarees are priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per order. Okay, not per product. So per order, the total product cost plus the total shipping charges plus 100 rupees has to be calculated for COD. Prepaid orders is just the total product cost plus the shipping charges. So that's all I have for today. Please like my page for all the real updates. Okay, so if you have any enquiries or orders, or if you want more pictures on particular sari, please WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So please share the screenshot or the picture. So while inquiring, okay, that way it will be smoother. It will be easier for us to locate the product because we have several products. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.